In 2026, the pickup truck market has become a playground for planned obsolescence. Stellantis and the Ram brand want you to believe that guts and glory are baked into every new truck that rolls off the assembly line. They want you to focus on the 15-inch touchscreens, the air suspensions, and the massage seats. But behind the leather and the tech lies a harsh reality. Many modern Rams are reliability nightmares designed to meet emission targets and profit margins rather than 300,000-mile milestones. The truth is, most Rams currently sitting on dealer lots are complexity bombs. From the Hemi tick to catastrophic lifter failures and electrical gremlins that no one can seem to fix, the brand's reputation is being held together by marketing, not engineering. But there is a silver lining. After diving deep into the hard data, we're talking Consumer Reports long-term studies, J.D. Power dependability rankings, Repair Pal's average annual cost metrics, and thousands of real-world technician reports, we have identified 10 specific models that are truly bulletproof. These are the trucks that mechanics buy for themselves. These are the survivors from an era when Ram built trucks to outlast the owner, not the warranty. Stay with us because the #1 truck on this list is a mechanical masterpiece capable of reaching 1 million miles. If you're tired of the disposable truck culture and want to protect your wallet, hit that subscribe button right now. Let's count down the only 10 Ram trucks actually worth your money in 2026.
Number 10. Dodge Dakota, 3rd generation 2005 to 2011. Simple, overlooked mid-sized truck with 3.7-liter V6 or 4.7-liter V8. Naturally aspirated, port fuel injection, low heat, low stress engines equals high durability. Cheap to buy compared to Ram 1500. Key rule, service the transmission every 60,000 miles and it lasts decades. Number 9. Dodge Ram 1500, 2nd generation, 1994 to 2001. 5.2-liter and 5.9-liter Magnum V8s regularly exceed 300,000 miles. No cylinder deactivation, no complex electronics, no plastic-heavy engines. Easy driveway repairs, dirt-cheap parts, extremely low ownership cost. Number 8. Dodge Ram 2500/3500 Gas V8, 2nd generation 1994 to 2002. 5.9-liter Magnum V8 in a heavy-duty chassis. Overbuilt cooling, suspension, and internals designed for commercial use. Avoids diesel repair costs while delivering true 3/4-ton capability. Number 7. Dodge Ram 2500/3500, 12-valve Cummins, 1994 to 1998. Purely mechanical 5.9-liter Cummins with no computer, no sensors, no electronics, no limp mode. Best paired with NV 4500 manual. Extremely reliable, rising in value, near million-mile reputation. Number 6. Dodge Ram 2500/3500, 24-valve Cummins manual, 1998.5 to 2002. 24-valve Cummins adds power, efficiency, and better drivability. Electronics are simple and durable compared to modern systems. NV 5600 manual avoids automatic transmission failures. Strong balance of old-school reliability and newer performance.
Why are we focusing so heavily on these older models? Because in the world of trucks, progress has come at the expense of the owner. Since 2007, diesel trucks have been strangled by emissions equipment. EGR, exhaust gas recirculation, DPF, diesel particulate filter, and DEF, diesel exhaust fluid systems are the leading causes of truck downtime in 2026. These systems bake the engine from the inside out, soot up the intake valves, and cost thousands of dollars to replace. When you buy one of the older Rams on our list, you aren't buying an old truck. You're buying a truck that isn't actively trying to destroy itself to meet a government regulation. That is why these specific years are commanding premium prices on the used market. They represent the last era of pure engineering.
Number 5.
Dodge Ram 2500-3500 5.9-liter Cummins manual 2003 to 2007. Common rail 5.9-liter is quiet, powerful, efficient, and pre-DPF. Automatic 48RE is weak, manuals only. With NV 5600 or G5600 manual, this becomes a 500,000-mile powertrain. Number 4. Ram 2500-3500 6.7-liter Cummins manual 2010 to 2018. 6.7-liter Cummins engine itself is extremely strong. 68 RFE automatics are unreliable, manual only. Newest reliable Ram you can buy with modern interior and safety without transmission failure risk. Number 3. Ram 2500-3500 6.7-liter Cummins plus ASIN 2013 to 2018. ASIN AS69RC automatic is commercial grade and built for heavy towing. Stronger cooling, gears, and durability than Chrysler automatics. Best choice if you must have an automatic for frequent heavy towing. Number 2. Dodge Ram 2500-3500 24-valve Cummins automatic 1998 to 2002. 47RE automatic is simple and durable if maintained. Regular fluid changes and extra cooling allow 200,000 miles plus. Better cold starts and fuel control than 12-valve with automatic convenience. Number 1. Dodge Ram 2500-3500 12-valve Cummins automatic 1994 to 1998. Mechanical 12-valve Cummins with minimal failure points. 47RH RE automatics are simple and easy to rebuild. Immune to modern electronic issues. Long-term durability unmatched, still running when modern trucks are gone.
Now that you know which years to buy, you need to know how to buy them. In 2026, these trucks are older, which means they've had more time to be abused by previous owners. Here is your 4-step reliability audit. The blow-by test. With the engine running and warm, unscrew the oil fill cap and set it upside down on the hole. If it dances around or blows off, the engine has excessive internal wear. If it sits still, the rings are tight and the engine is healthy. The transmission fluid sniff test. Pull the dipstick. If the fluid is bright red, that's good. If it's dark brown or smells like burnt toast, walk away. That transmission is on its last legs. The dash crack check. Second and third gen Rams are famous for cracked dashboards. While it's cosmetic, it's a great indicator of how the truck was stored. A clean dash means the truck was garaged and protected from UV damage, which usually means the owner cared about the mechanicals too. The emissions inspection. For 2007 and newer trucks, look at the exhaust tip. If it's covered in thick, oily soot, the DPF is failing. A healthy modern diesel should have a relatively clean tailpipe. We live in an age where everything is designed to be replaced. Stellantis wants you in a new Ram with a 72-month loan every few years. They want you dependent on their service departments and their proprietary software. But the 10 trucks we've listed today prove that you don't have to play that game. You can buy a truck that was engineered with integrity. You can buy a truck that prioritizes durability over flashiness. Yes, these trucks might not have the quietest cabins or the most cameras, but they have something much more valuable: peace of mind. When you turn the key on a 12-valve Cummins or a 5.9-liter Magnum V8, you know it's going to start. You know it's going to get you home. In a 2026, that is the ultimate luxury. Did we miss your favorite reliable Ram? Or do you have a 12-valve that's currently sitting at 600,000 miles? Tell us your story in the comments below. We read every single one, and the community benefits from your real-world experience. If this guide helped you narrow down your search, please smash that like button. It helps us keep the lights on so we can continue bringing you the truth that the manufacturers want to hide. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Our next video is a deep dive into the Ford versus Chevy reliability war of 2026, and you won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching. Stay smart, buy proven, and we'll see you in the next one.